black Jeep has changed lanes 3 times, so they're obviously running late. We're at about 40 and a 50, high volume traffic. There's nothing we can really do. Cutting back and forth really trigger road rage. I have a dash cam. I have the Meta View glasses on. People have dash cams and also AI glasses. They'll take a video, record it with your license plate, and send it to the police. Do you really want those type of problems? The answer should be no. But yet you see people every day driving reckless with no regard for others. I want to provide you with a real life perspective of what driving is about. If you drive safe and smoothly with common sense, most of the time, you're going to be okay. I'm never going to promise you that you're going to have a safe travel because we can't predict the impact of others. You see the cars tailgating very aggressively. We're stuck in a little bit of traffic, which is fine. There's nothing we can do. We're not in a hurry. We will be at the driving location momentarily. I'm going to make a lane change to the left. Accelerate through. While 4 blinks, I'm in the lane. We're in the left lane because we are by the yellow line. We're in the United States. We drive on the right. The yellow line signifies the left side of the road. We're moving. We got past the white cargo van. We're back up to about 50 again. We feel better. I'm gonna show you how to find your following distance from that green sign. 1001, 1002, 1003. We're about 3 seconds from this gray Ford Edge. I believe they have the Coyote engine in that vehicle. That means it's very peppy. I'm gonna make a lane change to the left. You can see the traffic getting open. I'm in an open lane. Lifting my foot, I see the gray truck, the gas. I want you to see the car tailgating. Once the camera focuses in, you're going to see a black Ford Explorer aggressively tailgating. Another point we talked about in class, we can't control the space behind us. We can control the space in front of us. So what do you do when you have aggressive tailgater? Relax, you maintain speed, be predictable. We're at about 50, traffic is moving good. I feel safe with this. You can see other drivers going about 57 to 60 miles an hour. Using the ball of my foot to squeeze the brake. Good morning, Jackson. How are you? Thank you, Jackson. You are my favorite supporter, my favorite fan. You are the #1 because you have left so many comments. You always come on my live. You always say good, positive things. I want to thank you, Jackson. I really appreciate you. Hopefully my videos help you. I want to see you with your license, getting a job, being successful, and doing what you do. Anything I can do to help you, let me know. I believe you're in Florida. In fact, we have a client who is in Orlando right now. He flew there last night. So he's in Orlando right now. I'm not sure where. Thank you.